This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Malene Cuizon and Janice Johnson. Beautiful split floor plan west/3 beds 2 bath, move-in ready. This stunning home features new paint, new flooring in bedrooms and living room, new ceiling fan in guest bedroom, tray ceiling in master's bedroom west/double vanity and walk-in closet, new microwave and dishwasher, new AC and water heater, pantry, gutters, huge fenced yard. You can lay down and sleep in the well-manicured lawn, road eligible. Close to Ward Elementary and park to enjoy fishing or duck watching. Couch, ref, washer and dryer to convey west/full price offer. See remarks for more information, review the details below.